Welcome back everyone. Hope you are doing well. So today we are going to create the calculator form, and we can start building the calculator with all the arithmetic function which we have done previously. Okay. So at first we need to check how I can make it and what can be the design of the calculator. So if we just open the basic Windows calculator system, it shows me like this way. Okay, so we can make something like this one, something similar to this one. Actually, we don't need to make exactly same to same copy, but we can make something like this. So as you can see, everything is there in a table format. So we need to implement table format in our index.html file. So let's create it. At first, I'm going to create a table, and in the first table row, what I'm going to do, I am going to show the result of my input. Okay, so it will be a TD and it will be an input of type text. Okay, I'm going to add an ID of it. So result. Also, I can add a class of it. So result. So let's see how it is showing. So it is showing like this way. Okay, still not fine. Let me just disable all the function calling. So at least, okay, this is in the top of the box now. So let's just add this part now. Okay, the numeric part. For that, I'm again going to add one tier, and inside it I need to add TD of 4. Also, I'm going to again input of type text, and I'm going to add the value of it. For first one, it will be 1. And for the second one, it will be 2. It will be 2, not 1. I'm just going to copy the last one and change the value in the next step, so it will take less time. So let's just see what is now showing. So it is showing like this way. Okay, so what I need this same width as this one as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make the call span of 4, because it will take 4 TD width, so it will be similar to this one. Okay, let's see. Before we show the result, one thing we have just did is this box I made input type of text, but it will be not the text type, because it will be like the button one. Whenever we press the button, we will call the value and show it or do something with the value. Okay, now let's see. So it looks like similar with with the button ones. Okay, still it is fine. But another thing that in the last step I write the 4, but it will be not the 4. I need to add an arithmetic sign over here. So I'm going to add plus sign over here, and in the next year I'm going to start with the 4th one. So again TD, and this time it will be the input of type button, and here I will start with 4. It will be 5, it will be 6, and another arithmetic function, it will be minus. So still now it is working fine. Now again I'm going to create another one, and this time I will start with 7, 8, 9, and this one I will show you that star 1. So this much is done. So what I can do, I need to add 1 0 over here. Also I need to add the division sign. Also I can put the clear sign over here. At least let me make that one. So here I can put the clear one, then the 0 1, and then let's see what I can do. Okay, so this one will be the division sign. So this much is done. Let's just do something else. Also, we need to add the equal sign in the place of 9. So let's just add it. So still now we make a simple calculator static HTML part, and you can see none of the button is working on, none of this is actually doing something. Also we can put the input over here. So I need to at least make it disable so that no one can type directly in this place. So what I can do, I can write the disable property. What it will do, it will just disable this input text area. Okay, so now you cannot add anything, and the color of it is also changed. If we just inspect it, you can see the disable property has been added, and this is the CSS of it. Okay, if I add the disable property over here, then the CSS will be automatically added by the browser, and you cannot add any kind of text, or you cannot edit it from using your mouse or keyboard. Okay, still now our basic HTML part is done. We can do lots more style stuff with this, but we will do it later. And in the next tutorial, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get all the values from them and do the arithmetic steps with the given button in. Okay, still now, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.